Okay, people, let's talk self-care. Sundays are the perfect day to hit the reset button. It's time to ditch the stress and embrace some serious pampering. Think of it like a spa day in your own home. You deserve it, honey. We all work hard and it's easy to get caught up in the hustle. But taking time for yourself isn't selfish, it's essential. When you prioritize self-care, you're giving yourself the fuel to show up as your best self. You can't pour from an empty cup, right? Sunday is your chance to refill your cup. It's about creating a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation. So put on your comfiest pajamas, light some candles, and let's create a pamper routine that will leave you feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the week ahead. Get ready to unleash your inner goddess because this Sunday is all about you. Pampering isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. It's about taking care of your mental and physical well-being. When you pamper yourself, you're sending a message to your body and mind that you are worthy of love and care. Think about it. A relaxing bath can soothe your muscles and melt away stress. A nourishing face mask can leave your skin glowing and revitalized. Even something as simple as taking a few deep breaths can calm your nervous system and boost your mood. Pampering is a powerful tool for self-love and stress management. It's about creating a sense of calm and well-being amidst the chaos of everyday life. So don't underestimate the power of a little pampering. It can make a world of difference. Let's transform your bathroom into a luxurious spa. I'm talking dimmed lights, soothing music, and your favorite pampering products lined up and ready to go. This is your time to indulge and treat yourself like royalty. First things first, set the mood. Light some candles, dim the lights, and put on some relaxing music. Think spa vibes, nature sounds, soft instrumentals, anything that helps you unwind. Now let's gather our pamper essentials. We'll need a fluffy towel, a luxurious bathrobe, your favorite bath products, a nourishing face mask, and a rich body lotion. Don't forget a refreshing drink. Herbal tea, infused water, or a glass of wine, whatever tickles your fancy. Once you've got your spa sanctuary set up, it's time to dive into some serious relaxation. Section 4, Bath Time Bliss, dive into relaxation. There's nothing quite like a long, hot bath to melt away stress and tension. This is your chance to create a truly luxurious experience. Add some Epsom salts to soothe your muscles, a few drops of essential oil for aromatherapy, or even a bath bomb for a touch of fizz and fun. As you soak in the warm water, allow yourself to completely unwind. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and let go of any thoughts or worries that are weighing you down. This is your time to simply be present and enjoy the moment. After your bath, wrap yourself in a warm towel and apply a rich body lotion. Your skin will feel baby soft and hydrated. Now let's move on to some skincare magic. Section 5, Skincare Symphony, treat your skin like royalty. Your skin deserves some extra love and attention. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser, then exfoliate to remove any dead skin cells. Now it's time for a nourishing face mask. Choose one that suits your skin type and apply it evenly to your face. While your mask works its magic, take this opportunity to relax and unwind. Close your eyes, listen to some calming music, or simply enjoy the quiet. This is your time to pamper yourself and give your skin a little TLC. After rinsing off your mask, apply a hydrating serum and your favorite moisturizer. Your skin will feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to glow. Now that your body and skin are feeling pampered, let's explore some activities to soothe your soul. Section 6, Calm and Collected, activities to soothe your soul. Pampering isn't just about physical care, it's about nurturing your mind and spirit as well. Choose activities that bring you joy and help you relax. This could be reading a good book, listening to your favorite music, meditating, or practicing gentle yoga. If you're feeling creative, try journaling, drawing, or painting. Expressing yourself creatively can be a wonderful way to de-stress and tap into your inner artist. And don't forget the power of a good old-fashioned nap. Sometimes all you need is a little rest to recharge your batteries. The key is to choose activities that bring you peace and help you unwind. This is your time to reconnect with yourself and find your inner zen. Section 7, Renew, Recharge, Repeat. Make self-care your Sunday ritual. Congratulations, you've successfully completed your ultimate Sunday pamper routine. You're glowing from head to toe, your mind is at ease, and you're feeling ready to take on the week ahead. Remember, self-care isn't a one-time thing, it's a lifestyle. Make pampering a regular part of your routine, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Whether it's a relaxing bath, a nourishing face mask, or simply taking a few deep breaths, prioritize your well-being. You deserve it! So go forth and pamper yourself, honey. You'll be amazed at how much a little self-care can transform your week. And remember, you are fierce, you are fabulous, and you are worthy of all the love and pampering in the world.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video on Happy Life Secrets TV. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop us a comment below and let us know what you think or share your own secrets to a happy life. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. We're here to bring a smile to your day with tips, tricks, and secrets to a happier life. See you in the next video.
Today is another good day. Unlock the path to your best self. Discover the transformative power of the 12 happy life secrets. Embrace all of them and watch your happiness thrive. Remember, your happy life is an inside job.